Ah! Anong issue mo? Yapping yung daldal ka ng daldal. Oo, yapping. Skibidi toilet, hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
Promise, I swear.
Ang layo naman ng promise na yun sa skibidi toilet. Riz? You got Riz. Parang parang cool ka.
Good. Curious na.
Ayan.
Two-way.
Mewing. Pagka pusa ka, ay, meowing pala. Meow pala yun. Mali.
Trying
Oh.
to look good. You are new.
I'm mewing. I'm always mewing.
Wow.
But I don't look good. Sigma. Use in a sentence.
You are Sigma.
You are Sigma. Masigla.
You are above Alpha. Parang you're great.
Ah, you're Sigma. Phantom tax.
Yeah.
Phantom tax.
Yeah.
Phantom tax. Di ko alam yan.
Lying.
You're Phantom tax?
You're fantastic.
Phantom taxing me? Ang layo naman nun.
Goated. You are goated.
Oh, the greatest of all time. Yan, alam ko yan. Si LeBron James ba yun o si Michael Jordan? Yun ang debate eh.